So, in this video, we'll discuss about the introduction to PDM systems. A PDM system is the use of software to provide a structured way to orderly and efficiently store, integrate, manage, and control both product data and process related information in a single centralized system and make the data and information to be available to all the people in the organization at any time and in the right format. So what does it mean? So that means it is the total structured data which is used to store, integrate, manage and control both the product data, that is information about the product, and the process. Process means regarding the manufacturing aspect, regarding the quality, regarding the dispatch, all those things which are involved right from the raw material stage till to the final completion stage, information in a single centralized system. So that means everybody is integrated to a centralized location and make the data and information to be available to all the people who are in the organization at any time and in the right format. The right format means, suppose if you are using a CAD format, we are going to have the DWG file, or if you are going for any data which is related to about the product, it may be a document file. So like that, we are going to have the different formats. Should be readily available. Then the typical information managed in the PDM system include, what are the informations we are talking about? CAD data, which I already told you, models, parts information, construction and manufacturing details, material data sheets, cost comparisons, and other product notes and documentation. So which are all the information which is to be required in the PDM system? So the PDM system includes, one is the CAD data about the details about the model, parts information about what are all the parts, what are their main functions, how it will going to be done, all those things, construction and manufacturing costs or the manufacturing details. So how it is to be constructed and how it should be manufactured, all the details regarding the jigs and fixtures, which when you are going for the manufacturing details, you may require some jigs and fixtures, all those details, material data sheet, like the bill of materials, and then the cost comparison. Then what are all the costs for each part, what are the requirements, how it will going to be manufactured, what will going to be the manufacturing cost, the total cost about that particular part, and other product notes and documentation. Then PDM thus serves as a central knowledge. So it is a centralized location knowledge for process and product history, and promotes integration and data exchange among all people and business users who interact with the products, including project managers, who are all the people who are involved now. So one is the process and product history, and promotes integration and data exchange among all people and business users who interact with the products. So those who include the people and business users are project managers, engineers, salespeople, buyers, and quality assurance teams. Such a system minimizes the time in tracking data and information related to the product, apart from enhancing productivity and collaboration within the organization. So what happens? By doing so, the output will going to be, it will enhance the productivity and collaboration within the organization. PDM can thus be defined as the function within the PLM that is responsible for creation. That means we need to create the product, management, you have to manage, and publication, and that means you need to produce and publish the product data. Then the benefits of PDM, what are all the benefits you have by implementing PDM? One is the flexibility in operations throughout the organization. That means any changes, yes, it can be able to done because it is having the flexibility. Because using of the softwares enhances collaboration within the organization, improves engineering workflow. That means the workflow becomes smooth, reduces overall costs. PDM implementation leads to profitability because the delay in accessing the data is minimized because all the data is available in the centralized location, and all the people who want to access the data can be able to access right from the centralized location. So that is the advantage because of the use of software. Increased management information because all the information related to the data about the product and also about the management will going to have, it will be readily available. Reduced order lead time because because everything is done by the software. The software implementation will be huge. Increased customer satisfaction because of the productivity. So naturally the customer will going to be satisfied because the product will be available at the right time. At the right time they will be able to get within time. Reduced time to market. Reduce the time to market because all the system all the system data is available. So everybody, even the marketing engineers, has been already told you in the introduction, even the marketing people will also be involved in this. So naturally time to market them is also getting reduced because they will having all the information pertaining to the product will be known to them well in advance. Increased production and product quality. So because of the software involvement, better use of people and processes, so and meeting the increasing external requirements. So even since we are using the softwares, so external requirements, suppose further if there is any increase in external requirement that can be met. Lift corporate image in the global scenario because of the good quality what you get. So naturally it will going to help them to get the corporate image in the global market. So in the next video, we will going to talk about, or we will going to discuss about the major components of the PDM system. Thank you.